In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a DWG file to a JPG or PNG format using AutoCAD. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful when you need to share your drawings with someone who doesn't have AutoCAD, or when you want to use the drawing in a presentation or document without losing any detail. Let's jump right into it. First, we need to access the plot dialog box, which is a crucial part of this conversion. To do this, simply type plot into the command line and press enter. Alternatively, if you're looking for a quicker method, pressing Ctrl+P will also get you to the same place. Once the plot dialog box is open, turn your attention to the printer or plotter section. You'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it. Here, you're going to select either the Publish to Web PNG or Publish to Web JPG option, depending on whether you want your final image in PNG or JPG format. Both formats are generally similar, but PNG might provide a bit sharper detail without losing quality, especially if further edits are needed. After you've made your selection, AutoCAD will prompt you regarding the paper size. You're faced with a couple of choices here. You can stick with the default paper size of your existing layout, select a custom paper size, or even create and add a new custom size to the plotter. For the purposes of this demonstration and to keep things simple, I'll use the default paper size, but feel free to choose a custom size if it better suits your needs. Next, direct your attention to the What to Plot section. Here, you'll want to select Window. This choice allows you to specifically select the area of your drawing that you want to convert. Simply drag over the drawing to highlight the portion you wish to convert to an image. Once the desired area is selected, take a moment to check the option for Center the Plot. This ensures that your drawing will be centered on the page, which is particularly important for presentations or documents. You'll also want to select Fit to Paper. This option ensures that your drawing scales properly to fit within the boundaries of your chosen paper size without cutting off any parts. At this point, you're ready for the conversion. When you click OK, AutoCAD will process your request, and your DWG will be converted into the image format you chose. And just like that, your drawing is now a readily shareable image file. That wraps it up. Converting your DWG files to accessible image formats in AutoCAD is that simple. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.